Hi guys, I hope this isn't too dark, this video. It's early in the morning and I just wanted to try to get a jump start on my day here. Okay, so I am going to start to work on these a little bit. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to be doing something with these pages. These are, this is actually watercolor paper. So it's rather a thick paper. So I'm just going through the process of seeing what I'm going to do with these sheets. But I don't like the white. So I have this distress pad and by Ranger. And I am going to be making these a little darker because they look terrible white. So I'm going to go into the lighter. You have two browns, a gray and a black in this. I love these ink pads. So I'm just gonna see how much better that looks. Yeah, definitely better than white. We could even do part of it a little darker as well, just as long as it's not that stark white, because that looks really, I don't like how that looks at all. Okay, so I'm gonna do these other ones. I think maybe I'll just stick with the lighter. We'll see. So I got out another one of my bins that I haven't been into for a while. And I have that sitting off to the side. And I'm going to just give you some ideas on some elements that we could use, because I've had these things for a little while. And I want to, and I like when it cracks actually. That doesn't look too bad. So now this is the darker brown. And I'm just gonna maybe, with the light hand, just do a little bit of the darker brown in certain areas. All right, so I like how that looks much better. All right, so we have that. So let me put this to the side here. And as I mentioned in the other video, this is just the, what I sprayed the background with. Now, these are Lindsey's Stamp Gang sprays, and I've had these a while. This is Steampunk Sepia, and you just have to shake them before you use them. When you purchase these from them, it's powder. You get you get some powder in the jar with nothing else. So you have to use warm water. You put it in there, you shake it up, and then you leave it sit, I think, for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then you could use it. The only thing I could suggest, as I mentioned in the other video, is to wipe these nozzles, and this one is a little dirty, but just wipe them off so they don't clog. And so I use that one. Here's another one, and this is Gossamer Gold. I don't know if you could see that. And they have such a beautiful mica sheen to them. Mission Bells Brown. And then I use the Distress Inks. This is Tattered Rose. We have Spun Sugar. And I did not use this one on this particular, but I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors, Crushed Olive. I use this on some pages that I made, which I'll show you in another video. So, and then I use this TCW modeling paste, which I love, and just some water. This is the Distress Sprayer, which I love this thing. And I will link everything in the description as I can. Let me just make sure I am all straight here. Okay. So now we have that done. So now I want to do other things to this page, because this is going to be cut out in some way, shape, or form. We're not going to use this entire sheet. So I got my stash here, which is too heavy for me to pick up. But I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let me remove this for a second. And I do have 2 of these sheets, and I will do this one. And they're always going to look different because even though you're using the same sprays, so they will not look the same. They're always going to look slightly different. So I had purchased this stuff. A lot of this stuff I got from 2 places, actually. I got some of it from Joggles.com, and I love that company. They ship really good. They got great prices, good product. And another one is Ecstasy Crafts. And I want to say they're in Canada, but they ship out of the United States, I think, if I remember correctly. But they too have great prices, and they ship really good. Now, I'm not affiliated with Joggles or Ecstasy Crafts. I'm just a customer, and I'm a returning customer. I've been doing business with them for a while, and I just like their products, and they're good, reliable companies, so you don't have to worry about getting ripped off or anything like that. And so I wanted to go over these little books with you. And I got a ton more. I got everybody's favorite, Marlene. I have a whole bunch of hers. I don't know if she's making these anymore, but those are going to be other videos because it's just going to be a lot. So anyway, what I wanted to show you on these little cute things are, these are all pre-cut embellishments. So they're elements that you could use on any of your projects. So you just like the Marlene ones, if you're familiar with these guys. I love these things. It's so whimsical. You could just punch them out with your finger, just pull them out and use them, use them as elements on your page. And that is what I'm trying to determine, what I want to use these for. Just get an idea right now. And then I will cut these out and actually use the elements. But I just want to get an idea. And I'm just going to flip through this little cutie here. This is called Noon Flower. That's the name of this little book. And I don't know if you could buy these anymore. They're by Studio Light. Check both Joggles and Ecstasy Crafts. Or just Google it. I'm sure you can find them somewhere. If I can find them, I will list them in the description. And so I'm really not going to do a flip through of all these things now. I just wanted to show you some of the elements. And these are really sweet. Little butterfly. He's cute too. So let me know if you want me to do flip throughs of all of these. I was planning on doing it, but if you want to see them now, I could certainly do that for you. And please note, we have our first giveaway going on right now. So it's going to run from October 6th, 2024 through November 6th, 2024. And in order to be eligible for this giveaway, you must hit like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And this way you can be included. This is just open right now to the US Mainland. As we grow the channel, I'll be able to reach out to international people as well. So please make sure you get involved in that. We're going to be giving some goodies away. I'm going to do a video in the next few weeks. And then the other things I like about these books too, you get the little sentiments that you could add on your project, which I love. And so that is just one of the books. And then we have a whole bunch of these, and I will review these books. And let me just show you a little bit of this one. So this one is also, these are all Studio Light. And this is Jeannie's Mindful Art Collection. And then these have kind of like, they almost look like photographs, but I mean, they're not, but they're pretty. They're very nice. And again, you just punch them out. I like the little yarn. They're so cute. So you could be really creative with these things. I love these. These are really pretty. Ooh, that might look nice on there. We'll see. Right now, I just wanted to take this bin out And so that's this one. And I just, like I said, I just wanted to show you some of my stash, and we will go over these. Also in this bin here, if I can pick this up, I got a whole bunch of different papers. And like I said, I could show you all these. They're all just like, these are scrapbooking papers and junk journal things that I bought. I think I got some on this I think I bought in the store, like in Michael's. But I got most of these on either AliExpress or Amazon. And it's just like all different elements that you could use in projects. So we'll get into that more at another time. And then I think everything else I have is art by Marlene. I have these. I have some duplicates. Maybe a giveaway, who knows? And so I do have duplicates of some of these books. And then I know I got some of these on Joggles, and I did get some on eBay. Because they were hard to get at one time. They really were. And these, I love these. They are so whimsical. You could do so many things with these little books. And we are going to get into all this stuff. And like I said, I tried to get 2 of everything, because I know once her things run out, they're really hard to get. So this is another one of this. And then I got these 2. I love these guys. All right. And then we also got, because when I saw this, I just had to get them. This is the Golden Oldie Essential Collection. This is from all her books. And you not only get the cutouts, the punch outs. See, I used some of these. You not only get the little picture elements, but in the back, and this is like all the books. So if I went through all these, I could probably find a lot of it. And then I love in the back, she actually gives you some of her paper. So that's really cool. And then I have, let's see, I know I have 2 of those. And I know you could still get those because I've recently seen them. Oh, I just found something I've been searching for. Okay. I am just trying to straighten this room up, my office, because it's just like, it's out of control. Okay, so I do have 2 of these. All right, so that's awesome. And now these are all paper packs of hers. I hope I'm in. I usually stand when I do the video. Excuse me, I do my videos, but that's why I have this mat down here. I think I'm in frame if I kind of stay on the mat. So these are just all collage paper packs of hers, which are fantastic for so many things. And like I said, we're going to get into all this. I just recently pulled all this stuff back out, but I do have it in my one bin here. And I will do a walkthrough of my office so you could, my room here, my craft room. I love this room. I spend most of my day in here. Even when I was working, I was in here all day. So, so these books are really nice. And this is a black and white one, which I love. I really want to do something with black, white, and green. I always like that combination. So I'm going to use that for that. And this is a book I was looking for. I was like, what did I do with that book? What did I do? Jane Davenport. This was a fantastic book. And you can't get it anymore, unfortunately, I don't believe. But we can try to find it. And it's just great for, these are such great backgrounds. So, I mean, if you don't have a lot of time and you want to do something like I just showed you those sheets, you could certainly use one of this. And then just, we're going to do that. And we're going to just, you could spray it. Additionally, maybe put some of the Lindsey sprays that have that nice iridescent quality. And then you could use your stencils and do some stenciling on here with the modeling paste. There's so many things you can do. So I'm glad I found this. I'm going to keep this out. And then I have a couple other things in here. And then this is it for this. So now these, I got these on Ecstasy Crafts, I believe. These books. So these were interesting books. Let me get rid of this stuff here. These are interesting. Studio Light. They used to put out a lot of cool stuff. And like I said, I'm not sure if they make them anymore. But you have your elements that are pre-cut in the beginning. And I'm gonna review these things. And then you have just cardstock. It's like scrapbook paper. But it's a nice thick scrapbook paper. So they give you that. And then they give you like these little tags and other little ephemera type things. So and then these are stickers. So these are even good for like, this is good for like true scrapbooking stuff. But I like these books and we're going to use these too. And I have this one and I'm going to review these. We have this one, and then finally we have this one. So I just wanted to come on here and just show you some of the stuff, some of my stash, and some of the things that we're going to be working on in the future. So just stay tuned. Please hit like and subscribe so you can be part of our giveaway. And trying not to let everything fall on the floor. And then I'm going to come back. I even have these little tags. These are art by Marlene too, so these are fun. These are nice thick papers, so we could play around with those too. And so now we added one more layer on here. And I think I'm going to splatter this a little bit, but I'm going to think about what I want to do, and then we'll be back again. So with that being said, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment to be included in the giveaway. And as always, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. And I hope you're digging what I'm showing you, because I really like doing all this kind of stuff. So until next time, have a great day. Thanks.